Cheesy protein cauliflower mash. Start by heating a small saucepan over medium heat and add to that 1 bag of frozen riced cauliflower. Drizzle some olive oil and stir until soft. This usually takes about 5 minutes. Cover with a lid for another few minutes and then add your seasonings. Kosher salt, black pepper, and garlic powder to taste. Mix in your seasonings and cover again for another few minutes. I like to add some Meal Boosters Cheesy Cheese Savory Protein Powder. It adds 15 grams of protein, and then I mix in my other two cheeses 2 ounces of goat cheese and 2 ounces of cream cheese. Once combined, put in a food processor and blend until smooth. I like to pair mine with some smoked chicken breast, mozzarella and tomatoes with balsamic glaze, zucchini, and you can't forget to top the mash with some freshly grated parm. I couldn't give up all the flavors that I absolutely love and grew up with, even though I eat very differently than I did when I was younger. This low carb side dish is on my table multiple nights a week. It's guilt free, has a little bit of extra protein in it, and it tastes absolutely delicious. If you haven't checked out Meal Boosters yet, give them a follow too. They have an incredible line of products that I've really been enjoying lately. To see more recipes like this one, or to follow along with my weight loss journey, where I'm currently down 100 pounds from my heaviest weight, and 75 of those pounds were in the last 5 months, then give me a follow, hit the subscribe button, and like the videos to help grow the channel. Thank you guys so much for checking out Fitness BBQ in my mouth. Have a nice day.